Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and we are unboxing Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. If you've not already, please look at videos 1 through 9 on our channel here and like and subscribe. Today we have day number 10. Here is what the box looks like. Let's see what we got. It's wood. Let's see. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Every day is just better and better, you guys. We got a quilty charcuterie board. Here's what it looks like. How beautiful is this? Okay. And if you don't do charcuterie, you could also just hang it up as a nice little kind of, I don't know what you call it, a wooden picture. I don't know. Anyway, it looks so cute. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Laser engraved. You can tell by the lines in the detail there. Missouri Star Quilt Co. if you didn't already see that on the back. And then it says a little instruction here on how to create your own beautiful charcuterie board display. And it says, create the ultimate charcuterie display. A truly impressive board balances a variety of flavors, textures, and vibrant colors. Here are some easy tips for creating a stunning spread. And if charcuterie isn't your jam, you can still hang this quilt block board in your sewing room. So you can have cheese, you can have meats, grains, interesting grains, okay, like crackers and things like that, fruits, veggies, and more. Balance is key, which is why fresher options and other tasty accompaniments are a must. Try adding dried fruits, fresh vegetables, grapes, apples, stuffed olives, pickles, chocolate-covered almonds, just really anything. And actually, my mom makes the best charcuterie board, so I will go ahead and look through my camera roll and see if I can find any pictures of the boards that she's made, or some of them at least, and go ahead and pop up a little inspiration here for all of you. She makes little florets with the meat and things like that, all the special fancy things. So Aya just had a really great idea as well with this little board. She wants to do a hot chocolate tray, so she wants to go ahead and use this as a centerpiece on the table to go ahead and put little hot chocolate powder and little marshmallows and little bits of peppermint and some spoons and mugs and things like that. It's just the cutest little tray as well to put on your table. So great idea from Aya. This was so exciting. I will see you tomorrow for box number 11.